ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यकोपनिषद पेज नंबर 724. Second line in Bhashya we saw नामावशिष्टो अविद्यया उषरस्थानीयया स्वात्म प्रभवया परमात्मनः परिच्छिन्नो भोज्याच्च जगतो व्यावृत्त उच्छिन्न काम कर्मांतराले व्यवतिष्ठते. So this is the matam of Bhartr Prapancha, according to whom the one who is free from grahati graha, nam avashishtaha, whose name is still there, avidya usharasthaniya, avidya which is usharasthaniya, ushara means here desert land, but what it means is that he is in this antaral avastha, in between state. And the utpatti sthan is atma. So swatma prabhavaya avidyaya paramatmanah swatma prabhavaya avidyaya parichinna, and this jiva is parichinna. Parichinna means separated from Paramatma also. Vyavrutta. Not only that, Bhojyacha Jagatah Vyavrutta, and also from the Bhojya Jagat. So he is separated from Bhojya Padartha, Bhoga Padartha, he is not interested. Uchinna Kama Karma Karmantarale Antarale Vyavatisthate. He is in the in-between space. Tika, third line. क्षितेः उषरवत् अवस्थित आत्म अविद्यया परस्मात् परिच्छिन्नश्च चेत आत्मा. क्षिति मीन्स पृथ्वी. क्षिति मीन्स पृथ्वी. क्षित्यंकुरा. We have seen this Hanuman. स्थित आत्म अविद्यया, आत्मा अविद्या which is there, आत्मा विषय का विद्या, परस्मात् परिच्छिन्न, and also having bheda from Paramatma, chet atma, tarhi, atma means this jiva. Bandha pakshasyaiva syat, is bandha only, natu bhojya jagato vyavrittihi iti ashankyaha. So then he is part only. Bandhashraya is within only. When he is avasthita in avidya, he is separated from Paramatma. That is bandha. Why you have to add anything else to that? You say no, he is separated from world also. Means he is not interested in world. Bandha pakshasyaiva syat natu bhojya jagato vyavrittihi iti ashankya. Bhojya jagato vyavritti na. So he says that is not necessary. इति आशंक्याः उच्छिन्न काम कर्मांतराले व्यवतिष्ठते. So uchinna means separated from, devoid of kama karma. When he jagat vyavritta means he's not interested in world. He doesn't have desires. He doesn't want to do karma. See, there will be enough people who may not have. This is how Bhartru Prapancha is thinking. Somebody is not interested in doing karma in jagat. Somebody is not interested in going to Swargadi. Some person has, let's say, studied Shastra. Jnanam has not taken place. So he doesn't or never thinks, I am Brahman. He is incapable of that. So Vyavritta from Jagat, no Kama Karma and no Brahmatva. So they have tried to look at this person. So somebody thinks, I like this darshan only. टीका सर्वस्य कर्मादि फलस्य सूत्रात्मनः सर्वस्य कर्मादि फलस्य सूत्रात्मनः समुच्चय आसादितस्य भोगात् अप्राप्तार्थ अभावात् काम असिद्ध्या कर्म अभावात् प्रयोजक राशेः उच्चित्तिः इत्यर्थः. He is, so which jiva we are talking? He says Sutratma, Hiranyagarbha. Sarvasya karmadi phalasya, which is the phalam of all karmas, all karma put together. Sutratmanaha samuchaya asaditasya, one who has done karma upasana samuchaya. Bhogat apraptartha abhavat. There is nothing which is aprapta padartha for Hiranyagarbha. Everything is prapta. Prapta for bhoga. So bhogad apraptartha abhavat. But there are no kamanas. Kama asidhya karma abhavat. Now he is not going to do any karma also. Prayojaka rashehe uchchitti. What are the prayojaka rashis? This kama karma, they are prayojaka. Avidya is there in Sushupti. Correct?
Yes.
Avidya is there in Sushupti. But only avidya is not prayojaka. It will not make you do anything. When desires are there, karma is there, then you will do things. Uchchitir ityartha. Kim enam ityadau antaralavasthasya vidyadhikariно nirdharanat tadapekshita vidyasheshatvena ushasta prashnader arambham sambhavayati. Kim enam, earlier it was said, then what remains for him, right? So ityadau antaralavasthasya, he is in this antaralavastha, this jiva, of that jiva, who is vidya adhikarinaha nirdharanat. So now he has no desire for the world, he has no kamana, no karma, he should get Brahma Jnanam. So he is vidya adhikarina. This nirdharanam is done, nirdharanat. So then what should come for him? The immediate next question should be Ushasta Brahmana. What is Ushasta Prashna? That is 341. 341 is Yad Sakshad Apokshad Brahma Avantaraha. That is what he wants, because he is ready for Jnana Yoga. Arambham Sambhavayati. That Arambha Sambhavana. Ushasta Prashna Arambha Sambhavana. Ushasta is Chaturtha Brahmana. But we are in which Brahmana right now? Dvitiya. So we still need one in between. Bhujju Brahmana will come. Those who have, how many of you have studied Anubhuti Prakash Brahadaranyaka portion? Raise your hands. Okay. So at least you should be familiar with some of these ideas. Okay. आरंभम संभावयति तस्य इन भाष्य तस्य परमात्मैकत्व दर्शनेन द्वैत दर्शनम अपनेतव्यम इति अतः परम परमात्म दर्शनम आरब्धव्यम इति एवं अपवर्गा अंतरालावस्थां परिकल्प्य उत्तर ग्रंथ संबंधम कुर्वन्ति. This Bhartr Prapancha method, so what they say, for this sadhaka, what is now immediately needed is Paramatma Ekatva Darshan. Tasya Paramatma Ekatva Darshanena Dvaita Darshanam Apanetavyam. His Dvaita Darshanam should be removed. That you are not different from Paramatma. You are not different from Brahma. You are Brahma. Iti Ataha Param Paramatma Darshanam Arabdhavyam. So hereafter, Paramatma Darshanam should be the discussion. आरब्धव्यम इति एवं अपवर्गाख्याम अंतरालावस्थाम. अपवर्ग means moksha. In that he is the antaralavastha in between. So that kalpana is done, that he is like waiting for some such thing now. Antaralavastham parikalpya उत्तर ग्रंथ संबंधम कुर्वन्ति. भर्तृ प्रपंच टीका. इति शब्दो वर्णयन्ति इति अनेन संबध्यते. इति अतः is given अपन द्वैतम अपनेतव्यम इति अतः इति अनेन संबध्यते. तर्हि यत्र उषस्थ प्रश्नादौ ब्रह्म विद्या उच्यते तस्यैव आरंभो युक्तः. Then in ushasth prashna, that so fourth brahmana is going to talk about brahma vidya directly. Ushasth, Kahol, they all are direct brahma vidya. Then Akshar Brahmana, direct Brahma Vidya. So 4, 5, 8, these three Brahmanas. And then there is one Antaryami Brahmana, which will talk about Ishvara, Saguna Brahma, his Vibhuti. So Ushastha Prashnado Brahma Vidya Uchyate Tasyaiva Arambo Yuktaha. Then that should have been the immediate next topic that should have been started. Why this question itself? Yatra asya ityadistu vrutha iti ashankya. This is of no use, this question here. Ashankya phalavad vidya prapti sheshatvena nivartya mrityu prayojaka nirdharanartho yatra ityadi hi iti abhipratya aha. फलवद विद्या प्राप्ति शेषत्वेन. Vidya prapti has phalam, and what doesn't have phalam, it becomes anga of the one which gives phalam. What is the nyaya? फलवद सन्निधा व फलम तदंगम. फलवद सन्निधौ अपhalam tadangam. In the proximity of that which has phalam, aphalam will become angam. So phalavad vidya prapti sheshatvena nivartya mrityu prayojaka. This mrityu nivritti, nivartya mrityu prayojaka nirdharanartha. Vidya has phalam. In its proximity is what the current prashna is of Arthabhaga. Where he said, Kva ayam tada purusho bhavati. Where is this Purusha at that time? Nirdharanaartho yatra ityadi abhipretya aha. Evam. In this way they do kalpana. टीका हिरण्यगर्भाद अन्यो अनन्यो वा विद्या अधिकारी प्रथमे अपि मृतस्य जीवतो वा विद्या अधिकारी विवक्षितः त्वया इति पृच्छति. हिरण्यगर्भाद अन्यो अनन्यो वा विद्या अधिकारी. Who is the Vidya Adhikari who is going to do Vedanta Shravanam? Is it different from Hiranyagarbha or one with Hiranyagarbha? Hiranyagarbhad Anyo Ananyo va. Prathame api. And if you say Hiranyagarbhad Anyaha, Mritasya Jivato va Vidya Adhikari Vivakshitaha Tvaya. If he is different from Hiranyagarbha, is he Mritaha? Means after he has left body, then he is Vidya Adhikari from left from here, or he is while here and in the body. Iti tatra in so iti pruchati tatra tatra vaktavyam विशीर्णेषु कर्णेषु विदेहस्य परमात्म दर्शन श्रवण मनन निधिध्यासनानि कथम इति. So now if you say he is vishirna shariradi, means his left body etc., then how is he going to do shravanadi? Videhasya 5 number tippani mritasya, because jiva has departed from this body. How will he do Paramatma Darshana Shravana Mana Nididhyasana? This is the Akshepa. Tatra Adyam Akshepati. Akshepam Sputaitum Tadiya Muktim Anuvadati. So, now Akshepam Sputaitum. He makes the Akshepa Spashta. Tadiya Muktim Anuvadati. Samavanita Pranasya नाममात्र अवशिष्टस्य इति तैहि उच्यते. समवनीत प्राणस्य, the one whose pranas are समवनीता प्राण यस्य सह समवनीत प्राणः, whose pranas have withdrawn or whose pranas have left. Then he is only nama matra is remaining. Samavanita pranasya hi nama matra avashishtasya iti taihi uchyate. So they are saying this. Tika. In other words, nama matra avashishtasya adhikaro vidyayam. This will, what will end up translation, it will translate into this. Nama matra avashit. Only name is remaining, body etc. is gone, pranas have left. He is adhikari for vidya. Asya adhikaro vidyayam iti shesha. Samavanita pranasya iti atra shrutim samvadayati. And samavanita pranasya shruti mritaha shete. So it was given there earlier, mritaha shete. इति ही उक्तम. कथम एतावता यथोक्त आक्षेप सिद्धि ही तत्र. He says, okay, by this, how that akshepa siddhi will happen? He says, "Na manorathena api etad upapadaitum shakyate." If he doesn't have karana, how will he do shravana? So you can do kalpana, but even through kalpana you cannot justify his shravana. Manorathena api etad upapadaitum na shakyate. Why? Upasamhrita pranasya shravanadi adhikaritvam etat shabdartha. Etat, that one whose pranas have gone and he is going to do shravanam, you cannot even imagine. द्वितीयं शंकते अथ जीवन्नेव अविद्या मात्र अवशिष्टः भोज्याद् अपावृतः इति परिकल्प्यते तत्तु किं निमित्तम् इति वक्तव्यम्. If जीवन्नेव, while he is with body, with karana, but avidya matra avashishta, means kama karmas are not there. He is virakta, he has no interest in karma, he doesn't want to do here these 200 things, and then also Brahma Vidya, no. And bhojyad apavrataha. Bhojya is jagat. Jagat which provides all the bhoga, from that he is withdrawn. Why? Because he has done enough parikshanam. Pariksha lokan karma chitan has actually happened for him. He has not only memorized the mantra and is able to quote it nicely, is actually pariksha lokan he has done. He is a virakta purusha. So bhojyad apavrataha iti parikalpyate tattu kin nimittam. So then bhojyad vyavartanam is kin nimittam. Kaha nimitto yasya tat kin nimittam. टीका अपावृतो विद्याधिकारी इति शेषः. Apavruta Vidyadhikari means Bhojyad Apavrita. From Jagat, who has withdrawn, that is called Adhikari. Jivato Bhojyad Vyavartanam Samyak Dhyam Vina Dushakam iti Matva Prachati. How did he manage that while living he could withdraw from Bhojya means all the Bhoga Padartha, Kamana. Because unless a person has very good buddhi, samyak dhyam vina dushakam, is impossible. Now these words are not some common person saying. Bhagavan Bhashyakar and Anand Giriji, they are using these words. So we should understand that they know that this vairagya is not easy from the world, and otherwise on every street corner you will find one Jivan Mukta. It is not that easy. In Naishkarmya Siddhi, those people who are attending that, what is the krama for moksha? First one is vairagya. Then, once you have vairagya, then is Vita Trishna. He doesn't have desire for the world. When he doesn't have desire for the world, then what is the next thing? Mumukshutvam. I had mentioned you have to know these. Whether you do your morning Nitya Karma or not. If these things we know, then we will have Mahatva Buddhi in this. Then once that is there, then I will do Guru Upasatti, then I will do Vedanta Vakya Shravanam, then Padartha Jnanam. Padartha Jnana is Ashrita where? Pada Padartha. So, Pada Padartha Jnanam, for these two, what do you need? Anvaya Vyatireka. Anvaya Vyatireka Jnanam, they are ashrita in pada padartha jnana. Then when I do anvay vyatireka, then padartha shodhanam will happen. When padartha shodhanam is there, then aikyam is possible. टीका अप्राप्ते कामो भवति प्राप्ते निवर्तते इति प्रसिद्धेः अपर विद्यया कर्म समुच्चितया हैरण्यगर्भ पद प्राप्ति ही एव तन्निवृत्ति कारणम इति शंकते. If I don't have something, then I will have desire for it. Aprapte kamo bhavati. When something is attained, prapte nivartate, then you don't have any desire for it. Iti prasiddhe. This is samanya niyama. Because if you apply this actually, then everyone has to attain everything to get vairagya. Then only Hiranyagarbha is the most qualified there. इति प्रसिद्धे अपर विद्यया कर्म समुच्चितया हैरण्यगर्भ पद प्राप्ति ही एव तन्निवृत्ति कारणम. He gives that same example. Then अपर विद्या means सगुण ब्रह्म विद्या and karma samuchaya, karma upasana samuchaya. If somebody does, he'll attain Hiranyagarbha padam, he will have everything. And once everything is there, then he will have vairagya from everything. So that Hiranyagarbha pada prapti alone is the nivritti karanam iti shankate. Samasta dvaita ekatva samasta dvaita ekatva atma prati prapti nimittam iti yadi uchyeta tat purvameva nirakartam. If you say that first you have to become Hiranyagarbha, attain everything, then only you are eligible for Brahmatma Vidya, that is not needed. You need purity, you need ekagrata, you need vairagya. All these things are required. Because this niyama is very simple. If anyone thinks, I want this, Bhagavan will say, you go and have that. Don't worry about moksha. Have it as much as you want. You have been going through for so many janmas, crores of janmas. One more janma, try it out. When I internally feel that nothing of this world or any higher worlds, anything is really not what I want, that is the virakta that he gives here. Karma sahitena tat purvameva nirakartam. Karma sahitena, tika will have to see it. Apara vidya samuchitam karma hiranyagarbha bhoga prapakam. न भोग्यात् निवृत्ति साधनम इति तृतीय व्युत्पादितम इति परिहरति. This is a different way of looking. Normally, how do we say when Hiranyagarbha has everything, then he is virakta. He has no desire anymore. Then he will get knowledge. How it is given? Person who has done lot of upasana and done karma, samuchaya, apara vidya samuchitam karma, that person is intensely seeking to become Hiranyagarbha. He doesn't have vairagya. Hiranyagarbha bhoga prapakam na bhogyat nivritti sadhanam. This upasana samuchita karma will give you bhoga. It will not give you bhogat nivritti. It is not sadhanam for bhogyat nivritti. Iti tritiya vyutpaditam. Tritiya means in the first chapter when this Hiranyagarbha was there, etc. It was already explained. Tat purvameva nirakratam. So that is not required. Uktameva vyakti kurvan vibhavjate. So now that same point, he makes it more clear. कर्म सहितेन द्वैत एकत्व आत्मदर्शनेन संपन्नो विद्वान् मृतः समवनीत प्राणः जगदात्मत्वं हिरण्यगर्भस्वरूपं वा प्राप्नुयात् असमवनीत प्राणो भोज्यात् जीवनेव व्यावृत्तः विरक्तः परमात्मदर्शनाभिमुखः स्यात्. The one who does कर्म उपासना समुच्चय and द्वैते एकत्व आत्मदर्शनेन द्वैत एकत्व एक अच्छा earlier also it is समस्त द्वैत एकत्व आत्म द्वैत एकत्व आत्मदर्शन means he identifies with entire द्वैतम, that is हिरण्यगर्भ. एकत्व आत्मदर्शनेन संपन्नः विद्वान्, this विद्वान् मृतः समवनीत प्राणः, when his pranas have left, मृतः जगदात्मत्वं हिरण्यगर्भस्वरूपं वा प्राप्नुयात्, then he will become Hiranyagarbha. So when he dies from here, next life he will become Hiranyagarbha. Garbha Swarupam va prapnuyat. Jagadatmatvam means you can take Virat. Either he will become Virat or he will become Hiranyagarbha. And the one who is Asamavanita Pranaha. Asamavanita Pranaha means he is Mritaha or Namritaha.
Namritaha.
He is not gone yet. Asamavanita Pranaha. भोज्या जीवन एवं व्यावृत्तः, फ्रॉम भोग्य पदार्थ एक्सेट्रा, while living he is विरक्तः, व्यावृत्तः विरक्तः, परमात्मा दर्शनाभिमुखः स्यात्, he is turned towards परमात्मा. अथ एकमेव समुचितं कर्म उभयार्थं किम उभयार्थम it should be उभयार्थम किन न स्यात् अतः. Anuswara is there in any reading? एकमेव समुचितं कर्म उभयार्थम किन न स्यात् अतः. Is it one karma? Why can't it give both? Both means bhoga also and moksha also. न च उभयम एक प्रयत्न निष्पाद्येन साधनेन लभ्यम्. That you do one karma and then you have desire. Sakama is also, you want some, you have kamana, it will give phalam. You say, I want nishkama phalam also. One karma cannot do both. Hiranyagarbha prapti sadhanam chet na tato vyavritti sadhanam. If it is Hiranyagarbha prapti sadhanam, it will not be vyavritti sadhanam. So what this means is, even if somebody is interested in becoming Hiranyagarbha, means he doesn't have vairagya. That's why they say, what is the definite lakshana of vairagya in Viveka Chudamani? तद्वैराग्यं जिहासाया दर्शन श्रवणादिभिः देहादि ब्रह्म पर्यन्ते यनित्य भोग वस्तुनि. That is why that up to Hiranyagarbha everything should be where he has jihasa. न ततो व्यावृत्ति साधन. परमात्मा अभिमुखीकरणस्य भोज्याद् व्यावृत्तेः साधनम चेत न हिरण्यगर्भ प्राप्ति साधनम. If it is, so I read 2 lines in Bhashya. Hiranyagarbha prapti sadhanam is not vyavritti sadhanam. Paramatma abhimukhikarnasya bhojad vyavritti. Person who wants to turn towards Paramatma has to turn away from the bhojya jagat padartha. So one sadhana cannot turn you away also and turn towards Paramatma also. न हिरण्यगर्भ प्राप्ति साधनम. टीका उभयार्थत्व अभावम समर्थयते. Both you will not get through one. समुचितम कर्म न उभयार्थम इति अत्र दृष्टान्तः. And this karma upasana samuchita is not for giving you both. Nahi yad gati sadhanam tad gati nivrittehe api sadhanam. That which is gati sadhanam, that which gives you some gati, means a destination. Gati here means that which gives you gantavya sthana. Gati here means gantavya sthana. So that which is the sadhanam for gantavya sthana, gati, is not sadhanam for nivritti from gantavya. हिरण्यगर्भो विद्याधिकारी इति पक्षम निक्षेपति. हिरण्यगर्भ इज विद्याधिकारी, दैट पक्ष निक्षेपति. अथ मृत्वा हिरण्यगर्भं प्राप्य ततः समवनीत प्राणो नाम अवशिष्टः परमात्म ज्ञाने अधिक्रियते. Therefore, if somebody thinks like this, what? That Mritva, having died from here, having become Hiranyagarbha, Hiranyagarbham prapya, tataha samavanita pranaha, then his pranas have left there, nama avashishtaha, he is adhikari for Paramatma Jnana. It is not. Tato asmadadi artham Paramatma Jnana upadeshako anarthaka syad. What is the meaning of this shloka, this line? For whom? Online, anybody?
If so, this is our teaching about Paramatma Jnanam will be void, meaningless.
So what he says is, then teaching us, anybody other than Hiranyagarbha is of no use, because only Hiranyagarbha is adhikari. So asmadadi artham, for our sake, Paramatma Jnana Upadesha is anarthaka syat. Then who should have Brahmatma Jnanam? Only Hiranyagarbha. That is the meaning. Asmadadi artham Paramatma Jnana Upadesha ko anarthaka syat. See टीका. ननु महानुभावानाम् अस्मद् विशिष्टानाम् एव ब्रह्म विद्या उपदिश्यमाना मोक्षं फलयति न अस्माकम् इति आशंका. Then somebody says, but that is what I have heard, that only Mahanubhavanam, Asmad, those who are special among us, Asmad Vishishtanam, those who are great people, only when they are taught Brahma Vidya Upadishyamanaha, Mahanubhavaha, Moksham Phalayati. So, they will get the Moksham. Na Asmakam. We don't get Moksham. He said, no. See, what is Bhashyakara, this beautiful line. Sarvesham hi Brahma Vidya Purusharthaya Upadishyate. So it is not only for Hiranyagarbha, it is not only for Devatas. Asmad Vishishtanam, if you say, means Devatas, if somebody thinks only Devatas, or Asmadadibhya Utkrishtanam. So it is said, no, Brahma Vidya is for all. All means all Virakta people can have Brahma Vidya. Not that you have to become Hiranyagarbha or you have to become Devata. Where is it said? Sarvesham hi Brahma Vidya Purusharthaya Upadishyate. Tad yo yo devanam प्रत्यबुध्यत. See, it is said Devanam. What is the part after that? तथा ऋषीणाम तथा मनुष्याणाम. So is true for rishis. So is true for manushas also. So if I don't have jata, I am not wearing Vyagra charma ityadi. Can I get Brahma Jnana Upadesha? Yes. Can I get moksha? Yes. What do I need? Vairagya. That is what you need. You see, it is easy to get Vyagra charma. Vyagra charma I can buy. Okay, let's complete this. This was 1410 Shruti. That is Vidya Sutra. In Tika, न च त्वन्मते अपि यद्वारा श्रवणादि कृत्वा विद्योदयस् तद्वारैव चिदात्मनो. Okay, I think we just leave it here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakrutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.